really enjoy Breda as a city, especially for students. I think there are a lot of students here. I think there are about 20,000 students in Breda. And I really like it because there are a lot of bars. There are actually more bars per square meter than there are in any other city in the Netherlands. Also, I like that there are a lot of facilities that we can use. There are a lot of entertainment. For example, there's a game hall, there's a movie theater, you can go for bowling, and there are just a lot of things that you can do with friends in your spare time. Favorite place in Breda is probably Café de Kater, which is a small cafe in the center, and usually I come there with my friends and everyone who's in there I know, so I really like that. I live in a student room in Breda, which is about 5 minutes from here. So I really enjoy coming here by bike instead of needing to use the train, so I really enjoy that. And it was not really that difficult for me to find a room. However, Breda is not the easiest city, but there are a lot of tools which you can use. For example, you can go on Facebook and you can find a lot of rooms on there. It was also very helpful for me that I'm a member of a student association, because I could just send a message in a group that I'm looking for a room, and then people who are looking for a new roommate just send me a message, so that's really easy as well.